In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webex 40.8 down. Let's jump right in. First, you need to launch Webex on your device. This could be a computer, laptop, or tablet. Click on the Webex icon and wait for the application to open. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are starting from the correct point. If you don't have the application installed, you can download it from the official Webex website. Once Webex is open, you will see the home screen with options for meetings, messaging, and calling. This is where you'll manage your meetings and settings. Next, click on the Help menu located on the top menu bar. You can find it on the right side of the screen. This action is important because it gives you access to various support options. You will see a drop-down menu appear showing different help topics. This is where you can find information about troubleshooting, updates, and more. By clicking on Help, you're taking a vital step toward resolving the issue you are facing. Now, click on Check for Update in the Help menu. This action prompts Webex to search for any available updates. Updates are essential for fixing bugs and improving performance. If there's a new version available, it can resolve the 40.8 error you are experiencing. After clicking, wait a moment while Webex checks for updates. If an update is found, follow the prompts to install it. Once completed, this ensures your application is up to date, which can prevent future issues. If you have an urgent meeting and cannot get the 40.8 desktop app to load, bypass it entirely using your internet browser. This is a helpful workaround when time is of the essence. Instead of waiting for the app to start, you can join your meeting directly through your web browser. This option is available regardless of whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser. It ensures that you stay connected even when the desktop application is not functioning properly. Next up, click your meeting invitation link. This link is typically sent via email or calendar invite. When you click on it, your browser will open and direct you to the Webex meeting page. It's important to ensure that you are clicking the correct link for your meeting. This action will take you to the meeting room, where you will eventually join the call. When your computer asks to open or install the desktop application, click Cancel. This is a necessary step to avoid being redirected back to the desktop app, which is currently having issues. By canceling, you will remain in the browser interface, allowing you to continue joining the meeting without interruption. This makes sure you can quickly connect to your meeting without the hassle of troubleshooting the desktop app further. Look at the bottom of the landing page and click the small link that reads Join from your browser. This option is often overlooked, but it is essential for those facing technical difficulties with the desktop application. By selecting this link, you'll be able to join the meeting directly in your browser. This approach is not only efficient but also reliable. With this step, you ensure that you can participate in your meeting without any delay or frustration. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and bypass the Webex 40.8 error. Always remember, using the browser is a convenient alternative when the desktop application fails. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay connected with ease.